Hi everyone, welcome to TRP Conversations. I'm Clint and I'm here today with my friend Elizabeth.
Great to be here, Clint. I'm ready and excited to talk about today's part.
Me too, so let's jump right in. And why don't you kick it off?
Sure, today we're going to look at TRP Axle Seals.
TRP Axle Seals are Dupont USA Viton Seals. With superior temperature and chemical resistance, Viton high-performance products are chosen because they last longer and retain their flexibility, strength, and shape.
This durability and reliability means high performance, less downtime, and a competitive advantage for designers and engineers using Viton products.
That's right, and TRP Axle Seals can be used on the popular Dana DS RS404, DSP RSP40, and Meritor 140, 160, 180, and 380 single and tandem drive axles.
Plus, you can sell with confidence. TRP has partnered with a world-class manufacturer that has more than 20 years experience in the heavy-duty seal market.
And the seals are manufactured at facilities that are TS 16949 and ISO 9001 certified.
Those quality control and management certifications help you know you're getting a part that will meet manufacturing specifications and requirements.
Exactly.
Plus, to make sure TRP Axle Seals meet our customers' requirements, all TRP Axle Seals go through a rigorous testing program to validate that no leakage occurs even under the harshest of environmental conditions.
TRP Axle Seals are cold tested at -40 degrees and hot tested at 220 degrees Fahrenheit. And all seals are mud slurry tested. In all the tests, TRP seals pass requirements without leakage.
In fact, in side-by-side tests, the TRP Axle Seals performed as good, if not better, than the OEM samples.
And that's great information to know. Also, when selling TRP Axle Seals, it's important to let your customers know that TRP offers seal drivers to install the seals without damaging them, as well as service kits.
That's a good point, Clint. Save your customers the hassle and help them perform trouble-free installations with these TRP install tools.
Did we miss anything?
I also want to mention that TRP has a variety of related parts that make servicing the axle on most makes and models a snap. Those parts include U-joints, end yokes, axle shafts, and carriers.
And we wouldn't be doing our jobs if we didn't mention that TRP Axle Seals have the standard TRP 1-year warranty, which is backed by over 800 locations throughout the US and Canada.
And that can give dealers the edge they need to capture and maintain customers in the competitive parts market.
That's a great point. Thanks, Elizabeth. Well, that's all the time we have today, and as my grandpa used to say, enough for now. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time for more TRP Conversations.